Hello, welcome back to BSLIVE Live. In this episode, I want to share with you some kind of workflow that you can use with Blender and some AI to actually learn a little bit of language. So it's more about kind of like reading and listening, and you'll be able to speak pretty much um, any language, not any language, I mean any language that the AI can actually transcribe and translate for you. It's almost real time, even though it's not yet. But let me show you. Okay, so this is Blender VSE, and at the moment you can see there's some kind of monkey head. Seems to be speaking in French, right? The subtitle is in French. I'll show you how you can add this subtitle. So this is a little quick project I did last night. So you can see.
Bonjour, bonsoir à tous. Je m'appelle Jimmy. Ce soir, je vais parler un peu français. En regardant un film YouTube, la femme mange du pain grillé. Il y avait une odeur de pain grillé.
So yeah, basically the monkey head says, okay, I will speak French a little bit tonight while watching YouTube or something, and my wife is toasting a bread and it smells really good, and then tomorrow is a nice day, or something like that, right? So I'm still learning my French, but anyhow, it's a talking monkey head, and I use my iPhone to project my face into the memoji of this monkey head, so we have like a talking monkey. So it's kind of like I don't know, at the moment I just doing it this way. What I did, I also and there's also like
Bonsoir à tous. Je m'appelle Jimmy.
there's a French guy talking, right? The French guy talking is actually AI. The AI, what do they call it? The AI, the talking AI is being synthesized into audio. Uh, the setup is actually like this last night. So I'm using Mac OS at the moment, and I don't know if this. I think this app should be available for non-Mac computer, maybe on Windows. But anyway, I downloaded this software. The name of this app is MEMO, and Temo is the one that I'm using here in this case. So there's a memo, and then inside the memo there's a Temo, and okay, with the memo itself, you can turn, for example, this is like a French Blender tutorial, right? French Blender tutorial. I can translate it into English. It's pretty cool. So any video like YouTube or something that you already downloaded, you can just download it, and then now you can watch this tutorial. You can watch this French tutorial with English translations. So that's one of the function of this app. It's really cool actually. Let me yeah, this is the whole transcribe French, and then the translations, and then it's gonna add it as a subtitle. You can use local file, but this one, the one that I'm using is Temo. You can actually, for example, okay, this is Japanese Blender tutorial. It doesn't have translation. It's in Japanese. You can transcribe once again using whatever CPU quality, maybe balance small. Transcribe it. Now it's doing the transcoding. It's actually, I think it's downloading the video first, and it's gonna transcribe. It's gonna look at it. Oh, okay, it's in Japanese, right? It's gonna transcribe it for you. You can do this is with the right device, like a good smartphone or a good iPad or computer. It should be able to do this for you almost in real time. Today, I'm talking about today, like 2024, let's say, even last year or previous years, a good smartphone already able to do this for you in almost in real time, but not in this way. I just want to show you the workflow, and this is the one I did, right? In this one also we can make notes and start adding writing. This is what I wrote. For example, okay, I want to speak this way. let's say you are making Blender tutorial in your language, your mother tongue, and you want to make it in different language just as a way of learning, right? So you just basically, you know, type this out. Let me try to make a new one. Demo. So today is okay, today is super nice day. Outside is sunny and blue sky. I might run to the beach and get some breakfast. Have a nice day, right? And yeah, this is the text in English. I wanna change this into, yeah, you can choose Chinese, Russian, Korean. This is the common language. I'll try the French for now. French.
Welcome to Temo. Welcome to Temo. Welcome to Temo. Welcome to Temo.
Let's try use Eloise sound. Okay, sounds like Edith Piaf or Amélie Poulain. You can just I think translate first. Translate into French. So this is it's a common feature of any device, any modern device that's able to do this. It's the AI doing it for you. It's translating for you. Now with the translated text, just synthesize the French language. Download it. Aujourd'hui. Okay. Wow, I have so many things happening. So many AI related stuff. Aujourd'hui.
Aujourd'hui, c'est super beau jour. Dehors, c'est le soleil et le ciel bleu. Je pourrais courir à la plage et prendre un petit déjeuner. Bonne journée.
Okay, right? That's the AI speaking, right? This is the text. Let me open it. Open with text edit. This is a Mac thing. This is the audio. Let's try again.
Aujourd'hui, c'est super
Aujourd'hui,
beau jour.
c'est beau jour.
Dehors,
C'est le soleil et le ciel
Je
bleu.
pourrais courir à la plage et prendre un petit déjeuner. Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Aujourd'hui, c'est super beau jour. Yeah. Oh, anyway, French. I could kind of read the French, even though it's not perfect. But anyway, this is the talking audio created using AI, and we also have the transcription here. I need to copy this and just rename it as SRT. Okay, so I could mimic the AI. So that's the idea. You mimic, there's the audio that's being synthesized using AI with this voice. Okay, you can actually change this to Mandarin as well. Let's try. Translate this to traditional Chinese. Now we can.
Welcome to Tamil. Welcome to Tamil. Welcome to Tamil. Welcome to Tamil.
Oh, the first one sounds really pretty. Just synthesize this. This one's gonna be, so we did the French. This one's gonna be the Mandarin. Save. So we already have two sounds with subtitle, right?
今天是超级美好的一天。外面
Okay, I should open this.
今天是超级美好的一天。
一天。
外面是晴朗的蓝天。我可能会跑到海滩吃早餐。
我可能
祝
something
你有美好的一天。
一天. Oh yeah. Anyhow, this is in Chinese. If it's I think probably I'm more comfortable if I use the Japanese. It's easier. There's a method that I've been using. I could actually read some of the Japanese.
Welcome to Tamil.
Yeah. Okay. Synthesize that. Oh, yeah. Synthesize the translations. Whoa. Okay. Forgot. Download. Save. This is the Japanese version. Open the text 今日は something
外
something.
は晴れて青空。ビーチに走って朝食を取ろうかな。
Okay,
良い一
we
日。
got we get the text, right? Okay, this is something else. Okay, this is probably a method. So we have the Japanese things. Okay, kyo wa cho ii hi desu. Okay, today is like really nice day or something. Soto wa harete aozora. Blue sky, clear blue sky. Okay. Beach is beach, right? Beach. Hashite, I run. Breakfast. Toro to take. Get breakfast at the beach or something. Yoi ichinichi. Yoi ichinichi. Yoi ichinichi. What is that? Okay, let's go or something. Buongiorno. Have a nice day. Yoi ichinichi. So that's the AI, yeah, teaching you the language. There's a few steps, right? The workflow. Anyway, you start with the text. You write it down like a journal. This is your plan of the day or something. Or you want to make like presentations in different language. This should be already be something that your device can do, right? I'm doing it on Mac OS just to show you the workflow. Okay, this one, the YouTube thing, the Japanese YouTube tutorial. So I'm BB. This time I'll explain how to make medicine on this capsule using Blender. Right? You can follow this tutorial now. That's originally only in Japanese. YouTube should already be giving this. You should be able to do this for you actually. So how about this guy? Okay, with the Blender with the monkey head. The monkey head, I can augment myself using Memoji on my iPhone. So that's one basic feature. You can capture your face using Face app or FaceCap app. Capture your face animations and then reanimate it into different 3D model. That's something you can try to do. Or you can use AI. You can use AI to do that. This one, okay. Yeah, good evening. This is AI talking app. It's FaceFusion 2.3. I have this audio, so the audio, and then I have this video, just basically like a static face resulting in a static face. If you record yourself or record like a static character in 3D character, just static without talking, you can then synthesize talking mouse. It's not perfect and it's too realistic sometimes, but it's working. You supply the audio will become like a talking mouth and we get like a talking person. So this is not yet real time. In the future, in near future, or already today, maybe the AI this can happen in real time, maybe in pretty soon. So yeah, one more thing I want to show you is this one. In Blender subs import, you can import subtitle and a video, and so you can have subtitle in Blender. Okay, so the monkey head, like I said, is an extra thing. Let's say, okay, file, new, video editing. We're gonna import the sound from the desktop. Oh, actually from downloads. This is the audio sound. Okay, audio coming into Blender. You can display the waveform. You can make this louder if it's too soft. Okay, this is the length of the audio. Save this. Audio and transcribe. Oh, by the way, if you want to transcribe this again, you can use Whisper AI with Pinokio Whisper. So Whisper with web audio will transcribe your audio into text like this. Video, audio, you can just transcribe it. So that's the workflow I'm suggesting. So in Blender, because we have the tool now, subs import already installed. Sub import. If you haven't installed this, just download from GitHub and then install it from the zip, and you're gonna have this subs import. All you need to do is to import the sub. Let me try to show you. Okay, this is the text in Japanese as SRT. Okay. Import, download SRT, import. So we have subtitle. Normally it's a bit low, however. So you want to bring this text up, select this text and stripe location in Y. Okay, let's do this. Soto wa harete aozora. Yo, yoi ichinichi yo, or something. So we have subtitle, and then this. If you want some imagery, you can use generative AI as well. You can make a poet in your whatever mother tongue language, and then you can also imagine something, like a poet, like okay, this guy Matsuo Basho. Okay, a poet. I don't know if this guy is the same as the Japanese artist who draw like crazy. Not Yayoi Kusama, this guy, the old man crazy to paint. Hokusai Matsuo Baso. I don't. Maybe they are in different time. I can't remember. But one is creating a poem. The other one is drawing things like crazy. He draws everything. So I thought, yeah, maybe the AI can do that as well. You can already do that using generative AI like Bing Image Creator, DALL-E. So you can recite some kind of poet. You can record yourself, of course, trying to mimic the AI speaking the language that you don't know yet, but you want to learn, and you can already do that. Yeah. So this is the subtitle. Right? Today, nice, right? Blue sky, a picture of blue sky. Might go to the beach, get some breakfast, something, and it's gonna be your probably some kind of vlog. But that's the workflow that you can already do today, like with the basic Mac. This one is an AI, the AI imagining a character. So maybe Japanese woman going to the beach with her dog riding bicycle. Generate. How long is it gonna take? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one is losing L'Oreal. Okay, let's use SDXL Turbo. Generate. Oh, because I mentioned inside liminal space, right? Okay, she's just about to go to the beach. Okay, Japanese woman having breakfast with her dog and cat at Bondi Beach. I'm like imagining the scene. Pretty cool, yeah. We don't get a cat, just a dog, Japanese woman. And I just gonna use this guy and gonna generate. This one is using LoRa SL LCM. You know what just happened, right? This one using SDXL Turbo just to get the composition. This one using Lyrial, and we get that. And so we can save this and bring it into here. Shift A, image, draw tools. Okay. Okay. This is the text subtitle. Go up. Okay, that's pretty much the workflow that I want to show you, right? So now probably just go to the beach, have breakfast. So yeah, hopefully you'll find this workflow useful. I think the AI for learning language is just like amazing, perfect. Like if you open like ChatGPT app, you can actually talk to the AI using English language, for example, and then the AI will reply to you with audio, with latest versions. That's with the ChatGPT. Of course, it doesn't beat like a real person. If you are learning language and the other person learning different language, that's a different story. But the AI, I mean, you can transcribe, you can make story, and then give translations. So it's good for comic artists as well, I think. But yeah, hopefully you find this whole crazy workflow kind of useful. Maybe I'll try something else in the future, but that's pretty much what I want to talk today in this video. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.